Hello guys, welcome back to my channel High Profit Income. Today we are going to start a new series on webmasters, and we will discuss how webmaster can generate revenue from their websites. I will discuss various ad network in this series and which ad networks are best to use. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. So today we will discuss about Propeller Ads. Propeller Ads is one of the best ad network I have worked with, because not only it's very easy for publishers, but also whatever ads we will show from Propeller Ads, those are user friendly, or I can say they are visitor friendly. It means that if visitor coming to your website, the ads will appear to them, but it will not annoy them or it will not frustrate them, because the ad will be shown in such a manner that it will be very interactive with users. I will show you a website where I have implemented Propeller Ads, and I will also show you how it is a visitor friendly. So before that, if you want to explore this website, I will put a link in the description, and you can click on that to explore it. So let me show you one website to show how Propeller Ads are user friendly. So this is one of my websites where I have implemented Propeller Ads. As you can see here, this is a pop-up ads, but this pop-up ads is not going to annoy users, because if user wants, they can interact with it. They can click on any of this image if they like it. If not, they can simply close this cross button to get away from this website and get away from the ad. And you can see here that the website is still here, and now user can interact with your websites. So that was one format. And another format is that pop-up ads. If a user is clicking in one of your links in websites, then here you are able to see one more tab opens with the ad. So here ad will appears. Note that the websites is still here and it has generated the next page. So this is visitor friendly, because most of the time the ad will appears in the same page and the user will be redirected to the ad page, and eventually he will be away from your website, and that we don't want to do. So here ad will appear. If user wants, it can interact. If click on one text to see many other formats or many other details of this website. So this is for webmasters and for the advertisers. So you can join this website as a publisher to show ads in your websites or monetize your websites. You can join it as advertiser to show advertising of your websites or of your product. So whatever ads we are going to show it from Propeller Ads, or the codes are global coverage. It means that no matter from which country your visitors are, for every visitors the ad will be shown, and the revenue will be generated for them. And it's automatic optimizations. You don't have to optimize it. So based on the interest of the users, the ads will appear in their desktop or in their mobile. It's easy to set up. In coming videos, I will also show you how we can set it up in our e-bloggers, how we can set it up in WordPress, and how you can set it up in a website which you have developed with HTML code. So once again, don't forget to subscribe to get the video notifications of those videos. Moving forward, 3 steps you have to do. You just have to register, and the approval of the website is instant. It will maximum take 24 hours and the website will get approved. So if you are aware of Google AdSense, then you have to do a lot of things so that your website will get approved. But here it's no matter whatever websites you have, you can get approval for it. Then you have to generate a code, and that you can install that code in your website or in mobile app to start showing ads, and then you can make money from that website. And then the monetization part, you can monetize anything. You can monetize your website, you can monetize your mobile app. If you have a website which is mobile friendly, you can monetize that also. If you have software, that also you can monetize. Games, if you are a games developer, if you have a game server, there also you can monetize this. They have also a feature called social where you can use their monetization tool to discover great opportunities to earn higher rates from non-instant traffic originated from social groups and fan pages. So you can also generate 404 pages. So this means that if you have a website which has some page which does not exist, those page also you can monetize. And then here you can see some of the high performing cross platform ad formats here. The first ad format is on click ads. It means if user clicks on your websites or any links, a pop-up ad will be generated, and the pop-up ads, how it looks like and how visitor friendly it is. And second is that mobile web. So if you have a website which is mobile friendly, you can also add a code there. So here you can see an ad will appear in their website covering their screen, and that ad will be easily removable. So that will not annoy visitors, or that will not take your visitors away from your websites. If the user wants, they can interact with the web ad. If they want, they can simply close it. And then the banner ads. The banner ads is pretty much easy to implement. I have also implemented banner ads here at the bottom of my website. So here you can see these are the banner ads, and it's very easy to implement. If user clicks on it, then you will be able to get paid on it. So one thing you have noticed here that I have implemented 3 banner ads with the help of single code. So you will be able to add multiple banner ads in single ad block. So I will show you in coming videos how we can do that. But for now, banner ads also is very much easy to implement, and it's a high revenue generated. The next ad is the direct links. So if you do not have any websites, that's also fine. You can generate direct links and share it to some social network websites or any other websites. And if user click on that link, they will be redirected to a page where it will show ads. And for that, you will be able to generate revenue. So suppose if you have a website with 404 pages, that also you can monetize it from direct links. And the last format is the video ads. So if you have a streaming websites where you show videos, there also you will be able to show video ads where user will get a skip options. If user want to view your ads in video format, they will. If not, they can skip it. Next is that the key to publisher success. So first thing is that it's very much safe. Don't risk upsetting your visitors. That's all that I was talking about. So it is user friendly or the visitor friendly. It will not take your visitors away from your websites. We do our best to keep our ads always 100% malware free. So in-house ad serving solution and optimization technologies for the best result. This means that the ad will be shown based on the user interest. It will not show just some random ads to so analytics. So whatever ads you are serving in your websites, for every ads you will be able to see a clear cut analytics for that how your ads is doing, how much revenue is getting generated, what are the countries from its visible, and what are the zones, or the what are the type of ad format that is generating more revenue for you, which are them are less generating revenue. So based on that analytics, you will be able to decide which type of ad is better suitable for your websites. Now a very much important, that is referral program. Not only you can use their ad format to generate revenue, but you can also join the referral program. So if you want to exponentially grow your revenue, then I would strongly recommend to join the referral program. If you don't have any website, you can simply join to the referral programs also. And if any webmaster is joining using your referral link, and whatever money he is generating from his website, you will be able to get 5% of that for a lifetime. It means that if the webmaster has generated revenue every month for 12 months or for 24 months or even for his lifetime, you will be able to get paid without doing nothing. So this is a very good thing. I strongly recommend, if you want to generate your revenue exponentially, then you should join referral program as well. So in-time payments, they have a very much good payment system. Payment will come in time in multiple payouts option. They have PayPal, they have wire transfer, and many other options are there to get payment. So earn higher eCPM, reach higher revenue with our algorithm optimization along with your manual control and 100% fill rate. So fill rate is nothing but every visitors will see some ads. So it's not like some of your visitors will not see ads. Every visitors of your website will see some ads, and for that you will get paid. Now these are some frequently asked questions. So what are your traffic and website requirements? So here you can see, with a very rare exception, we accept all site regardless of traffic volume. However, we do not accept websites containing adult content. So this is one thing you have to make sure. So these things you have to take care. How do I get approved for a publisher's account? The sign up process is simple, 100% free of charge. Just register the page and your account will be activated as soon as you confirm your email address. So I will put a link for this website. You can go there and you can join their website. Is Propeller Ads compatible with other ad network? Indeed, fully compatible with other ad networks. So you suppose if you are using Exoclick, or if you have a Google AdSense websites also, then also it is compatible. Can I remove any ad campaign from appearing on my sites? Yes, if you would like to disconnect a campaign from your site, simply contact our support team with the details, and the unwanted ads will be filtered out from your ad channels. So what are the payment options? You can see there are various payment options are there: PayPal, Bankwire, Payoneer, then global bank transfer also there, e-payments, various payments are also there. So there won't be any problem for receiving payments. That's all for this video. We have discussed how easy Propeller Ads is to manage and how user friendly or visitor friendly it is, so that the revenue will get generated in a huge amount. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get more such videos